When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Oh, I thought the beast had wandered off.
You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat. Concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level.
Et bien salut à tous, c'est Supermot. Voilà, on est au Luxembourg. On est je suis avec un ami. On décanne. Sa décanne elle est un peu plus loin.
Let me be, I'll be going till it's all in motion. Talking killer rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more a locomotive. Talking reason for it, I got locomotive. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex in a France tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit. I was powerful but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist. Try not to change but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, all I did when I'm talking. So, what it take to be an icon? All in your desktop, so I just might already be one. My me with the label, it feels on the table one sign but I'm...
Qu'est-ce qu'on a dessus? On a le kit Evo 1, on a la peau akra donc boîte à air ouverte, pignon pas encore, j'ai pas encore bon, les moyens. Sinon à part ça, la moto elle est bridée à deux, donc c'est parfait, dès que tu sors de l'auto-école, bah voilà, t'as ta moto. Et ça vous dit qu'on a roulé un petit peu? Allez, c'est parti.
Down for a free lunch, just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exists. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green. I'm about to go green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green. I might begin making a feature a rack. Cause when I hit your beat, I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game, now the word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing, steady growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I'd get to my losing myself in the view to some window pain. I swear I'm all about peace, I'm a positive person. Wasn't always like that, you know it took me some learning. They asked me how I push a positive light, how I keep my composure through internal fights when addressing the mic through these dark nights. Where the Bruce Wayne, what a trick be. Here's some truth that I'll let free. Bruce Banner of rap if you ask me. When my will to win and the track meet, the secret is I'm always angry. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, I'm about to go green.
Une petite session de roulade, on a sorti le 90 pour l'hiver. Franchement je suis pas déçu, en plus le temps il est là, comme vous voyez. Le temps il est magnifique, rien à dire. Bon on se les caille un petit peu hein. Mais bon, bienvenue au Luxembourg. On a été roulé en Allemagne, on a été jusqu'à Mrnotward. Là on est un peu je sais pas où, on est dans les vignes. Dans les petites vignes comme vous pouvez voir. Voilà. Ben on a été jusque là-haut. Là où il y a toutes les éoliennes et tout. C'était le top. Ben allez. Moi je vous dis à la prochaine pour une nouvelle vidéo. Ciao tout le monde. Peace.
I'm about to go green. I'm about to go green. Get the fuck back.